Dear children, with a glimpse of some understanding about taxation and its structure, now we will have a look at what is corporate tax and its rate for the assessment year 2021. What is corporate tax? Corporate tax is levied on the income earned by the companies. Corporate tax is levied on domestic as well as foreign companies. Corporate tax is applicable on those entities which have a separate legal entity from its founders and have been formed under the Companies Act 2013 or any previous Companies Act. Corporate tax is governed by the Income Tax Act 1961 in India. Now, let us move on to corporate tax rate for the assessment year 2021. The corporate tax rate varies between domestic and foreign companies. The tax rates also varies based on the types of corporate entity and based on the income earned by the companies. For the domestic company with the annual turnover up to 400 crore, they have to pay 25% as corporate tax. At the same time, if their net income is less than 1 crore, they need not pay any surcharge. But if their net income is greater than 1 crore but less than 10 crore, they have to pay 7% as surcharge. For the same type of company, if their income is greater than 10 crores, they have to pay 12% as surcharge. Then next type of company is domestic company opted section 115 BA. These companies are domestic company which is registered on or after March 21st, 2016 and engaged in the business of manufacture or production of any article or thing and research in relation to such article or thing manufactured or produced by it, and also it is not claiming any deductions under section 10AA, 32AC, etc. They have to pay 25% as corporate tax and they need not pay surcharge at all. And the third type of company is domestic company which is opted section 115 BAA. These companies are the companies if they are satisfying the following conditions. The company which is not claiming any deduction under section 10AA or 32(1) subdivision 2A or 32AD, then the company is not claiming any brought forward losses if such loss is related to the deduction specified and the provisions of MAT is not applicable on such company after exercising this type of option. They have to pay 22% as their corporate tax and they have to pay 10% if they are opting 115BA and 115BAB. The third type of company is domestic company opted section 115BAB. These companies are company not covered under section 115BA and 115BAA, which is registered on or after October 1st, 2019 and commenced manufacturing on or after 31st March 2023. They have to pay corporate tax of 15%. And the fourth type is domestic company with the annual turnover more than 400 crore. They have to pay 30% as corporate tax and If their income is greater than 1 crore and less than 10 crore, the surcharge is 7%. And if their net income is greater than 10 crores, they have to pay 12% as their surcharge. The last type of company is foreign companies. Foreign companies, they have to pay 40% as corporate tax for the income earned in India. And the surcharge they have to pay if their income is greater than 1 crore but less than 10 crores as 2%. And they have to pay 5% as surcharge if their net income is greater than 10 crores. All these companies, they have to pay health and education cess as 4% on income tax plus surcharge. Again, the royalty received or fees for technical services received by a foreign corporation from the government or any Indian concern under any agreement made on or before 1st April 1976 and approved by central government is 50%. Now we will move on to the types of companies as well as income of a company which should be taxed.